Hello, welcome to this video. So this video will be about the multiple choice question in pair 2 of DSE about trigonometry graph. So curve equation. Okay, yep. And then which of the following are true? Okay, so for statement 1 is about h, and then we have the y-intercept here. That will be the only that may be one. It is a piece of information maybe clearer, right? So use the y-intercept, use the point. So this point must be satisfying the curve equation. So tangent 0 is 0, so that's why h equals 2. And that will be bigger than 0, so that's why statement 1 is correct. And then for statement 2, so statement 2 maybe I need to use here. So statement 2, so referring to the tangent graph, so particularly the first quadrant. Okay, good. So the tangent graph, okay, in the first quadrant is like this. So it's right, and then we have this 90 degrees. This is 0. This is the elementary tangent graph, y equals tangent x. So you can see along the first quadrant, so y equals tangent x degree is increasing in the first quadrant, but here you can see that it's downward. So that's why if this is fx, and this one, okay, would be involving or at least, okay, we have kfx or k or h, that would be 2, right? So 2 plus kfx or f2x. So f2x, okay, would not change. So f2x, okay, is about the horizontal reduction. That would be the reduction of the original graph by a scale factor of 1/2 along the x-axis. f2x would not change the vertical or the y coordinate. And then plus 2 only move the whole graph upward by 2 units. So that's why here you can see about the k. So from increasing trend to decreasing trend. That's why k must be less than 0. That's why statement 2 is correct. Good. And then for statement 3, okay, so in order to have tangent alpha, okay, so first of all, we try to consider here. Okay, so statement 3, we try to consider the midpoint of 0 and alpha, so that will be 0.5 alpha. And then here is less than 2, right? So for example, this is b. In this case, this is 0.5 a or alpha b. And then this point is also lying on the curve. That's why b equals h, that would be 2, plus k tangent 2 times 0.5 alpha. So in this case, we try to make tangent alpha as the subject. So tangent alpha degree will be equals to b minus 2 over k. In this case, b minus 2, that means if equals to 1 over k, that means b minus 2 equals 1. And then in that case, b equals 3, which does not make sense. Because b should be lower than 2. So that's why which is impossible. Which is not possible. That's why statement 3 is incorrect. That's why finally, for the final answer, the correct option will be 1, 2 only. So option A. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.